Hi everyone, I am Abdul from AM Graphix. Today in this video, I will show you how to create poster mockup in Photoshop. So let's get started. First, make a selection of the poster. After make a selection, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer. Now pick a rectangle tool and draw a rectangle to the poster size. Convert it into smart object. Create a clipping mask. Change that blend mode to multiply. Double click on smart object icon and place the design here. Go to file, place embedded, import the design and transform it and hit OK. And now press Ctrl S to save and close this tab. Now go to blending options. Break the slider by holding Alt and drag with click and move to the left side. Hit OK. Your poster mockup is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you found this trick helpful.